Hello everyone. Today I'll show you a very simple way to clear the cache on your phone. What does that mean? It means we're clearing out completely unnecessary files on your phone that can slow down the entire Android system. Of course, they also take up extra memory, which you need. By freeing up space, you can download more movies, videos, audio files, or install other apps. And if you're running low on memory, try freeing up at least 5 or 10 gigabytes. This will make a huge difference to your smartphone's performance. Look, we have a standard cleaning option on our phones, regardless of model. For example, I'm showing this on an Axiom. But if you have a Samsung, Honor, Huawei, or any other brand, they have their own cleaning options that claim to clean something, but in reality, they don't. You can use that if you want, but it cleans very superficially, and you just need to press Clean. It may seem like 3 gigabytes has been freed up, but in fact, I can tell you that after 2 hours, you'll see that it's more or less the same. You can easily clear the same occupied space by downloading another file manager with more advanced features from the Play Store or directly from Google. Download Tattle Commander. It's completely free. There are no ads. Just open it. When you first launch it, click Accept. Then make sure the option for hidden files and folders is selected in Settings. Go back. Go to Internal Shared Storage. Click OK. In this window, check this box and go back. Find the Android folder. The folder is very important here. In many cases, there's no My Apps folder. If you don't have one, you can already use the search function at this point. Click the search button. Enter the words I tell you. If you still have a My Apps folder, click it and then click Yes. Next, you will enter the menu. Don't touch anything there. You just need to click Use this folder and allow its use. Now you are in the right place. Let's start again. I will exit. First, launch. You enter TLE Commander. Go to your Android's internal storage, data folder, My Apps folder, and then click Search. Delete the asterisk and simply type the word cache. It's best to type it in parts, because sometimes there are files partially hidden by Android, and for some reason, they can't be found. Click Search and wait for everything to be found. And by the way, let's check again. We just performed a full wipe of the smartphone using the standard method. Supposedly, more than 3 gigs of space were freed up, and theoretically, the search should now find nothing. But unfortunately, we see that some files are still there, and there are a lot of them. The search may take 10 or 15 minutes, so I'll click Cancel. In your case, you'll need to wait until everything is scanned, and then you just need to select all the folders and files that were found. So, click OK to select them, and click Delete. That's it. You're just cleaning out all this junk that has accumulated. Click Yes, and the deletion process will begin.